Unit 7, we learn about, we call it the fifth and the first note. So the fifth is called dominant and the bottom we call tonic. Two-note march. Start from C position. The fifth note is the G. And the first note is the C, which is tonic. Ready, set, go.